Hello everyone, my name is Ayu. I'm from Indonesia. Right now I study English for study abroad. I got golden opportunity from my government to study in several prestigious universities such as Harvard University, Oxford University, and Leiden University. So that's why it's really crucial for me. I can become advanced in speaking, writing, reading, and listening. Because when I want a play in Harvard, Oxford, or Leiden, I should have a high score in my English certificate. Without that, I think I difficult to get access and I difficult to get a visa to study there. So that's why it's crucial for me to study English day by day, bit by bit. Although it's hard for me because previously I never study English properly. I never study English because I never study in primary school, junior high school, and also senior high school. Uh, so that's why I should build my foundation around 1 year ago, and I should be fluent in this year. I was born in Javanese culture, uh, especially in Jombang City, the small city in East Java. Every day I communicate with my parents, my neighbor, my niece and nephew use a Javanese language. And when I communicate with people younger than me, the vocabulary is different. And when I communicate with people similar age with me, the vocabulary is different. And when I communicate with people older than me, I should be more polite, and the vocabulary is also different. I'm fluent in Javanese because Javanese is my mother language, and then because I'm from Indonesia, when I study in my educational institution, uh, actually I study in Islamic boarding school previously, and when I communicate every day with my teacher, and also how I watch many information in television, every day I use Indonesian language. So I know that my second language is Indonesian language. And then because I'm Muslim, every day I pray in Arabic language, and also I ever study in Islamic boarding school. uh, I study is I study Arabic language, and then I also ever study in I ever stay in Saudi Arabia 1 month, so I can become fluent in Arabic, and I recognize that Arabic language is my third language. Then, because my country Indonesia, the geography close with Malaysia, in television, I spend a lot of time watching several cartoon in Malaysian language, and also I watch many movies in Malaysian language. It's make me understood about uh, Malaysian conversation. And when I stay in Malaysia several days, I really understand with their conversation. So I think my fourth language is Malaysian. And then after I got scholarship, I should uh, get higher score in English certificate. I should be advanced in all skill. It's hard to say, but if I had to explain, I'd say that I should uh, encourage my skill day by day, bit by bit. Although it's difficult, I should be fluent. Every day I try to enhance my capacity. I reading a lot of article. I listening a lot of podcasts in YouTube or in other application. But I think that I don't have a basic foundation. So sometimes I understand about several things, but sometimes I still have a problem how I can explain about the structure. And also I know that I'm introvert person. It's hard for me to it's hard for me to be confident with my skill. So so that's why it's really hard for me to be advanced in several times. And I should be advanced because I want to study abroad. On the other hand, I also have a project in my non-governmental organization because I also get funding from feminist organization from Canada and Southeast Asia. We should be fluent in English because it's like a professional job. I should uh, I should give some explanation. I have responsible in this project. Without that, I have a problem in my job. And in this case, I ever meeting with people uh, from different countries, and because I have mistake in my form, and I also difficult to explain in English. So in 2023 I ever get some tutorial how I can use Google Translate. After that I feel that I'm the most stupid person in the world. Yeah, I think it's really hard for me to explain about that because every day I can open Google Translate, but when I'm meeting with them, I got tutorial how I can use Google Translate. And then right now I have a project with BBC to create movies documentary focused on preventing sexual violence in educational institution. And then I should give some explanation in front of camera. I should explain how about sexual violence in educational institution in Indonesia. And I also have a project with a BBC to discuss about sexual violence in podcast. So it is my big reason why I should be fluent in English, not only in my understanding, but also I can explain in front of camera, in front of people. I can make people understand about my English skill. And I think it's part of uh, golden opportunity in my life. So that's why I should study hard every day, bit by bit. Uh, Previously, I ever study English in UNES University because I got opportunity from my scholarship. And then I spent around 3 months, and after that I take IELTS test because I don't have basic foundation. It's hard for me to get higher score in my first IELTS test. And then I also understand how my environment in the class don't support me. I know several people give me some stereotype that I don't have basic foundation, and I think it's difficult for me to really study in the place, and then it make me open AI, and sometimes I should give some explanation that I'm fluent in English, but in the reality, I have a dilemma in myself because I know that I don't have basic foundation in English, but because the environment not support with my capacity, sometimes they give me some stereotype, give me some judgment. It's really hard for me to study English properly. So that's why I spend a lot of time not honest with myself, not honest with my teacher. In several tests every day in the class, sometimes I got high score, but I think it's not pure from my capacity. Sometimes I use AI, sometimes I search the key answer in reading, in listening, and other. And I know that my capacity in speaking it's really hard because I don't have basic foundation, but I should explain to other people, to examiner, that I should answer a lot of questions. And in the first time after I study in UNES, and then my score still not appropriate for my study abroad, and then I got opportunity again from my government to study English in different universities. In the second universities, I got opportunity to study in Indonesia universities, but I also have similar problem. I know that it's hard to say that I'm not suitable with my class because sometimes my teacher don't understand about my capacity. Sometimes they pursue me to get higher score, but they never know about my problem. How about my confidence? How about my understanding, and how I can enhance my capacity. And then uh, because I felt that I spent a lot of time, I spent a lot of money to enhance my capacity. I also ever take IELTS test in several times, but the result is still not appropriate for study abroad in prestigious university. So yeah, sometimes I felt anxiety, sometimes I felt depression, although I know that it's hard to other people get golden opportunity like me, get a scholarship like me, but I know that study English, to be advanced in English, it's also hard. So that's why I try to change my pattern, how I can learn, how I can have understanding in English. I think I should change my learning pattern. And then I download school application. I met several community. I try to research what the community appropriate to pursue my English skill, how I can get support system, how I can improve my capacity from intermediate level to advanced level. So that's why it's important for me to know about pattern and how I can enhance my capacity. Wait a minute, because behind my body, any people take a picture, because this is in a public area. Yeah, I know that many people in front of me or behind of me. I'm sorry. Yeah, and then I meet deep dive English. I meet I meet uh, I meet Sam Venables, and then in the first time I share about my problem. Right now I got a scholarship from my government. I also ever spent a lot of time to study English, but the result still not appropriate for a study in prestigious university. And then he offered me to join his class, and then I try to join private class to enhance my capacity, because I want to study abroad in this year. I want to encourage myself properly with English native speaker, and I believe that Sam will help me to enhance my capacity. So that's why I joined private class. Uh, in 1 month, I got golden opportunity to understand about my capacity. I know that I have many problems, such as every I answer a lot of question, I always use actually, and then obviously, and also I have many problem in my structure. Although I still have problem right now, I still encourage my capacity, but I think I can speak in front of camera until this time. And yeah, I think I have a big progress in my life, uh, in my English journey. So that's why it's really important for me how I can explain to you how Sam Venables try to help me to encourage to improve my English capacity. Uh, I I give information to Sam that I am in intermediate upper based on my IELTS score, but after Sam take conversation with me in the first time, he gave me some explanation. I thought that your capacity is in intermediate lower, and then I read several information in classroom. I think I got information you should take uh, English test in British Council, and then I try to open British Council website, and I joined the test, and I got the result that I should prepare uh, in pre-intermediate level. Oh my god, it's hard for me to know about my capacity in English, and yeah, I think uh, to have big progress in my learning journey, I should understand about my capacity first. So that's why I know about my capacity. Uh, I should be patient. I should be uh, understand about my capacity, and I think I should study hard, uh, and how I can enhance my capacity. And then Sam gave me some explanation that I should more be deep uh, in my learning. So every day, some give me some assignment to listening one podcast, and then I should rewrite about my understanding, and also I should reading one passage, and then I should rewrite uh, my understanding, and then uh, 2 days in 1 week, 1 week, twice in 1 week, I met Sam, and I learned about how I can enhance my capacity in English. Some give me explanation how I can answer question like what, when, where, while, how, many type of how, and many advanced question in English. And then I also gave several, and also I got several uh, insight how I can repair my mistake. So after I met Sam, I got several uh, suggestion how I can repair my mistake, and how I can consist with my skill after I got suggestion. And then after 4 weeks, I think I can be more fluent, I can be more confident, although I still have a problem. But I think I know that I should learn more deeply than before. And Sam always give me some explanation that quality is more important than quantity. And previously, I spent a lot of time, around 1 hours per day, uh, and I think I don't have a quality in my learning journey. So that's why I think I spend uh, more than 1 years, more than 14 months, but I still in intermediate level. So uh, after I study with Sam, I think, yeah, I got many insight. I know about my mistake. I know about how I can repair day by day, and sometime right now I can either chit chat with other people and become more confident in front of camera. And in April, I create a YouTube, uh, and I take my video there. I think I will upload several video about my learning journey. Although I still have problem, but I know that I always have a progress in my life. I hope from this learning I can be advanced, I can be more confident, I can get golden opportunity to study abroad, and I can get many big project from international organization, media, or other people. I believe that English is really crucial for me. I believe English give me opportunity to get high salary, get many network, and because I have many problem in my country, yeah, I will contribute to my country, how I can develop my country, how I can support people with problem in sexual violence. uh, People become survivor of sexual violence and other. I believe learning with Sam, I will be advanced in my English. Thank you very much. Bye bye.